So hello and welcome back. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to fit wiper blades to your Audi A5. Now if you like some people, you can pay Halfords £7.50 to do this, or you can do it yourself in a matter of 5 minutes. So let me show you how to do it. So first off, you'll notice on the Audi, if you've got one, you can't lift your wind wipers up because the bonnet is in the way. Now there is a way around this, and let me show you. So first off, put your key in the ignition. Yep, there we go. So now go down to, just turn the volume off. So now go down to car, and go all the way down to the bottom. So it says windscreen wipers. Yeah. So some Audis, you may have this button down here. Press it again. Oh, that's that way. On, and you watch the window wipers move. There we go. So let me just get out and change them. So now, look at that. Nice and easy. So as you can see, these blades are quite old. These are 8 years old. These are the original ones that came on the car. Now all we do is to get this off, you just press this in here, this little button, give it a bit of a wiggle. Yeah. These have never been off, so they're a bit tighter than. Just, you might want to put a bit of cloth or something under here so you don't smash your windscreen. That would ruin your day. There we have it. There's the first one. So yeah, that's one off. So you can see how old they are. They're all gone. Yeah, I've cleaned them a few times, but they're just so old. Now, let's get the new ones out. So my personal preference, I always go for a Bosch. And on the Audi A5, I don't know about the other Audis, but I presume the same. The driver's one is a lot longer than the passenger side. All right. So this is very easy again. You can see it's all ready to go. Look, straight fitment, no messing about. Just drop that in there. Bear with me. A bit fiddly. There we go. All we do is slot that in there, like that. There's one. Yeah. Now we're going to do the passenger side. So I don't know if I can record this one as easy because it's a bit of a. Oh no, there we go. Nice and easy. Let's chuck that down there. Oh, let's put it on here. Button in. Are we in there? Now we are. There we go. And there's the passenger one. So that is how you change your window wiper blades. Now obviously you want to put them back. So all you do here is press off. There we go. And then you can go back to your radio and carry on. And that's it, literally 5 minutes. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Nice and easy. So if you need to fit your wiper blades, save yourself £7.50. All right. So thanks for watching and see you again soon.